In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix a song in Suno AI using this easy guide. Whether you're a DJ, a music enthusiast, or just curious about creating your own remixes, Suno AI offers a powerful platform to transform your favorite tracks. Let's dive in. First, start by opening up your preferred web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Suno. Once you hit search, you'll see a list of results. Look for the official Suno website link and click on it. This will take you to the main web page where you can access all their creative tools. Upon arriving at the Suno website, you'll find a menu with various options. What you want to do is locate the Create section. This is where the fun begins, as you'll have access to Suno's music editing capabilities. Once you're in the Create section, look for the space called Workspaces. This area is essentially your digital studio where you can manage all your projects. Next, choose the song you want to edit and remix. It's a good idea to have your song selected in advance so you can jump straight into the creative process. Once you've picked your track, you'll notice 3 dots next to its title. Clicking on these dots will give you a list of options. From the drop-down menu, select the option to remix or edit. This will open up the editing interface, providing you with tools to transform your chosen song. One of the first things you'll do in this interface is click on Use Styles and Lyrics. This feature allows you to apply different styles to your track, making it unique and personal. Then, you'll see a Styles button. Clicking on this will open up a field where you can type the style you want your remix to have. Let's say you're aiming for an EDM festival vibe. That's something you can enter right there. This step is crucial as it directs the software on the type of transformation you're aiming for. After you've set your preferred style, the exciting part comes next. Click on Create. Suno AI will work its magic and generate your remix. During this time, it processes your inputs and reforms your chosen track into a fresh and creative remix that matches your specifications. And that's it. You've successfully remixed a song using Suno AI. Remember, this tool is an excellent way to explore different musical styles and push the boundaries of your creativity. Don't hesitate to experiment with various genres to see what kinds of innovative sounds you can come up with. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I can't wait to see what amazing remixes you create.